Welcome to 1902 Pinoak Circle in Norman, Oklahoma. Let's take a look at the features that you've indicated are important to you. You'll note the grand staircase right at the entrance of the home. I'll show you that space a little later. I know that entertaining is what fills your weekends, and this expansive living room with a fireplace is just perfect for your gatherings. Your work from home status is one you may want to make permanent. And this home includes a small study downstairs with a gorgeous view of the back patio and pool. The owner's suite downstairs is connected to the small study, and I know the large closet's going to be to your liking. On our way to the kitchen, you're going to get yet another view of the back patio and pool. The kitchen is tucked away at the rear of the home, and since you're such a good cook, I think you'll love the Viking appliances. Having a pool means you'll have a lot of laundry, and this laundry room comes complete with a sink and lots of storage. The backyard feels like a magical enclave with this beautiful covered back patio that I know you'll love, and of course, the pool for you is a must-have. If you want to schedule a showing on this, make sure you let me know. I'm Marcie Billen with Keller Williams Smolenics and Brewery Team Realty, and my info is in the description. So let's go upstairs. This home is over 4,000 square feet and includes 4 total bedrooms, and 3 of them are located upstairs. My 2 favorite features upstairs, which I think are going to be great for you, are the small nook area, and then, of course, a beautiful second living room, which you can set up in so many different ways. It even has a bar. Remember, for more info, you'll find the complete listing link in the description and also my phone and email so you can schedule a showing.